Hi friends, my name is Manikavasagar. I am studying Mechatronics Engineering in NTTF Trichy. Today I am going to talk about laser. I hope you all know about the laser. In videos and all, it is used to play with childs and cats, etc. More applications are there. But really, what is laser and how it works and all we'll see in this video. Today I am going to take about some contents. First is introduction, how it works, types and applications. Now we'll see first what is laser. Laser is one of the type, light type. It is which light is traveling more distance. That is called laser. The letters in the word laser stands for light amplification by simulated emission of radiation. This is the picture of the laser. Now we'll see one example. It take torchlight. The torchlight, when I'm on the torchlight, it will spread the light to the wall or something, some object. When that light is spreading, that wavelength will be changing because it will spread like this. When it's spreading, that size is also will increase and it should change the wavelength. It can't come more area of the time. It will not come. But in laser time, when we are seeing that laser, that wavelength will be constant, that path will be constant. So it can easily come to the long distance of them. How the large distance is happening, how it works. When light source is coming to the laser system, there will be one gas. There are three gases for use in this system. One gas is carbon dioxide, second one is nitrogen, third one is helium or neon. In these three, any one of the gas is used to amplify the limitation of the light source to convert it into laser system. Now we'll see two types of lights are there. One infrared laser light. Next one is infrared LED light. In laser light and all that, before only I said that wavelength will be constant, so it can be easily travel more distance. Infrared LED light means that wavelength will be continuously changing will happen, so it can't come more distance. Now we'll see types of ladder. First one is gas ladder, laser. Second one is solid state laser. Third one is metal laser. Now we'll see what are the applications are there in real time. First one is laser cutting. Laser cutting is used to cut the metal or wood with laser. Laser welding. Laser welding is nothing but laser welding is used to join the two metal with laser. Third one, laser drilling. Laser drilling is to put the hole to the wood or metal with laser. Laser marking. Marking is used to mark the dimensional and pictures to the metal or wood. Laser cleaning. It is used to clean the glasses, table, metal, wood or something, etc. etc. These are the pictures for applications. Thank you. I hope you all understand my shop talk. I conclude this shop talk. Thank you.